Insert locking caster stem into bottom of left front leg. Press into hole until click is felt. Ensure caster is secured and cannot easily back out. Repeat for left rear leg. Insert the left front leg and left rear leg into firebox body. Use 4 screws and 4 washers. Insert the right rear leg and right front leg into firebox body. Use 4 screws and 4 washers. Attach bottom shelf to legs using 4 screws from underside of shelf. Upright grow with help from an additional person. Insert wheel axle through wheel and insert axle through wheel and leg. Place R pin onto wheel axle. Open the hood. Use 4 screws and 4 washers as shown. Mount hood handle. Use 2 screws. Mount grease tray bracket. Use 4 screws. Put the foil liner into the grease tray. Place it on the grease tray bracket. Mount grease guide simply. Use 2 screws. Pre-thread in the 2 screws with 0.2 inch thread exposed. Hang side shelf on 2 screws. Tighten pre-installed screws. Insert 2 screws in remain. There are 2 ears on the backside of ash clean-out cover. Put this cover into the hole with 2 ears at orientation shown, then turn 90 degrees as shown. Place flamer tamer over fire pot. Locate using 3 holes. Mount grease ring pan on the firebox. The tab should be placed as shown. Insert searing station pole handle through grommet on side of firebox assembly. Align the flat end to the slot as shown. Press it into when daisy wheel is open. Turn the handle 90 degrees as shown to lock well. Insert power cord bracket through slots in backside of hopper assembly. Insert screw through hole and tighten. Plug the end of main probe into P1 or P2 port under hopper cap.